Hi, I'm Cy, and today I'm going to be reviewing my brand new Apple Magic Keyboard. And I got this because I have a new Mac Mini, and I'm used to using a MacBook Pro and a MacBook for many years, over 10 years. And I wanted to have a similar experience while I'm using my Mac Mini with a low profile like these new Magic Keyboards have that would be similar to what I'm used to typing on the MacBook Pro and MacBook. What is also cool about this model here is you don't have to change the batteries or take a battery out. There is an internal battery and it's rechargeable through a Lightning USB cable, which we're going to go ahead and take a look at. And you can pair this via regular Bluetooth methods by having it turned on while the battery is charged, or you can just plug it into your computer when it's turned on, and then from that point forward it will be detected by your computer. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. And there it is. Let's go ahead and take it out here. We've got our Lightning connector, our instructions and things, and our keyboard nicely wrapped up. Let's go ahead and take it out. Kind of sounds nice, a little different than what I'm used to with the MacBook, but I like it. And you can see how low profile it is. Here's your connector for charging. Here's your power here. When you turn it on, you can see that the green shows here. This right here is where your Bluetooth connection output is. And I have to tell you, the keys do feel really nice. Let's take another close-up look at it. I suspect I'll be using it like this, same way that I would use my MacBook Pro with the pad below and my hands up here. Now let's go ahead and get this thing connected and see how it works. We're going to go ahead and connect our Magic Trackpad and our Magic Keyboard for the first time ever now. Connect the keyboard to one of our Thunderbolt ports. So the next step would be to go ahead and turn the power on. So technically I should be able to unplug our Magic Keyboard right now and everything should work fine, but I'm going to leave it plugged in for now just to make sure I don't lose connection while I'm doing the setup. So this will be the first time testing our keyboard out, seeing if I can enter our password. And I'll just click return. All right, so it looks like we must have got our Wi-Fi connected. Glad to see that the Magic Keyboard is working fresh from the start with no trouble. Our Bluetooth should be connected, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug our keyboard here to make sure that our keyboard is working Bluetooth now. So let's go ahead and see how it works. And it works perfect, so that's awesome. If you want to change your Magic Keyboard settings in any way, all you have to do is go to your system preferences or system settings right here, which I'm in already, and then you can scroll down to where your keyboard is, or you can search for your keyboard here, and we're in the keyboard now. And for example, if I want to do an emoji, I can press this key here and you can see that the emojis come up. And then as far as keyboard shortcuts go, you can set up your own shortcuts, and you've got your input sources, and of course there's a few other things down here. So I thought I would show you this really quick just so you know that you can customize your keyboard for you specifically. So I just wanted to show you something really cool about our Magic Keyboard. If I go into system settings here and I go down to our keyboard, you can see that I have 100% battery life, and I have had this Magic Keyboard unplugged. This is the third day and it's still at 100% charge. So it appears that I could go for several days without having my keyboard plugged in. I just thought that was pretty cool. So I'm really happy with my Magic Keyboard. I like the really low profile of it, but most of all, I really like using my keyboard with my Magic Trackpad. It gives me a very similar experience to using a MacBook Pro or a MacBook, and I feel like this is going to be perfect for using with my Mac Mini. So I hope you liked my review of the Apple Magic Keyboard. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, use the links in the description, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't